Hello, my name is Junlachak Junta Silp, or you can call me Gino. I'm in a group called Jaster Studio. I'm in charge of being a programmer who works on character control and quest systems. In this clip, I will tell you the main topics that I worked on in the project called MedJ. Player Controller. When creating a player controller, the author got the sample from Character Controller, Unity to write the movement code, then connect that code to the new input system. With the help of Samyam's video on how to use the new input system with Cinemachine in Unity, the controller was able to successfully connect the code to the new input system. The new input system was selected for easier setup, and other keys besides the keyboard, such as the gamepad keys, could be set. Before adding a camera to track players, add mechanics for players to play with, such as pressing the dash button and locking onto enemies. Once you have created your character controller, it will need to create a camera. For cameras, select Cinemachine. It needs two cameras. The first one will capture the players and the other will capture when the player locks on the target. Then, the camera will switch back and forth according to the functions written. Now, there is a slight problem with the camera, which is when the camera falls into the wall, it is necessary to apply a collision. In Cinemachine, there is a code, Cinemachine Collider, that allows the camera to collide with the object that we set. New input systems. In input systems, need to set up the buttons inside by creating a .input action file. Then set up the buttons, which buttons can do what, and which buttons you want to use to receive values. According to Samyam how to use the new input system with Cinemachine, it is necessary to connect the input system to the Cinemachine. The most important thing is the view. It must be set to delta, which in this sense means the movement of the mouse. Smooth transitions between locomotion animations. To connect animations to the game system, such as character movement, it is necessary to use blend trees. According to inexperienced developer Blend Trees video, by move and then write code by receiving float values in blend trees to compare what animation will be played. Then it needs to calculate the float value to decrease smoothly by using mathiflerp to calculate so that the calculation does not decrease all at once, but gradually decreases to create smoothness in the animation. Attack combo. In order to make a combo, according to dance video, Dance 2021, it is necessary to do the animation step by step, like a ladder as seen in the picture. However, in this animation, it is done as a trigger, so we have to write a tracker. Instead of doing animation on a ladder, we have to change it to a condition that will enter the animation instead. This may need to change in the future if more animations are added. Quest system. The quest system has a tool called Dialogue System, which has a complete system for doing quests, NPCs, and interacting with players in the game. In making the quest system, there is a problem with what to do and how to do it, so it is necessary to rely on the official video of the dialogue system. There are currently 3 quests created. The first one is called Locate Ra's Temple, which is to find Ra's Temple by having the player step on that spot, and then a message will appear saying that it is complete and to return to the specified spot. This quest is called Return to Serpent Well, which is a quest that continues on, meaning that the player will have to walk back to Serpent Well Then the last quest is Slay the God Ra, which is to defeat the God Ra, which is the boss in the game. When the player defeats it, a message will appear saying that the quest is complete. Thank you for watching until the end. The last part is some videos showing some unfinished content in the game and some that still need to be completed. Thank you.